Hello, parents and educators. I would like all of us to watch this video to the end and also share it. When I was a student, I repeated 3 times in primary simply because I couldn't read and write. But whenever you could ask me a question verbally, I could give you the answer. And whenever a person could tell me to write it down or to read it, I couldn't. That's why today we have our book called Why Children Can't Read. And in this book, we are going to share one thing. Did you know that most people believe that we have struggling or weak learners? But we found out that most of, or 90% of the children whom we call weak or struggling learners, the one whom we call weak learners or struggling learners, are not struggling and they're not weak. Most of them, they're just struggling readers being taught by teachers who are also struggling in the area of reading. And making it worse, they mainly go to schools that are struggling in the area of reading and systems. They can be even big schools or small schools. You can even find a school when they are paying even 1.5 or 2 million, but when they are struggling in the area of reading. So regardless of the outlook or the appearance of the school, they can also struggle as long as they don't have a system. And find that in most schools, they are relying on just teachers. And that's why we strongly believe that with this RICA package, it contains 3 books: the RICA Rhymes book, our RICA Starter book, and our book on Why Children Can't Read, also this book. So the package contains 3 books, and it also contains what they call the basic charts. The basic charts, yes, these basic charts can help any child, or you can also use them to have what they call the RICA corner, with also a game. The RICA basic game, yes, which can help children learn how to read organically. And also a flash disk. This flash disk has a lot of rhymes, the RICA rhymes, sounds, and strategies, and even short films that can support you to understand exactly why children can't read. This entire package costs just 150,000 Ugandan shillings. Yes, or if you also just want the RICA book, Why Children Can't Read, it's just 20,000 shillings. Who can purchase this product? Teachers, you can purchase them. Schools, you can. Also parents, you can buy them and also buy them for your school. As a parent, you can donate this to a school. Yes, if we can take people to bars and buy for them a lot of bozo liquor, why can't you do this for your school? I saw this in the United States. You find that most parents support their schools generously. Now we also have what we call the RICA workshop. This is for schools, and it is going to take place at our Teachers Development Center. The main objective is to support struggling learners in the area of reading. These workshops will be 2. They will take place on the 31st of May. It will be a Saturday, or 14th of June. It will also be a Saturday. You select one of the days as a school, and each school can just send 4 teachers at just 200 Ugandan shillings. You can contact us for more details. But the main objective is to find ways on how we can support struggling learners in the area of reading using the RICA approach. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share this video. May God bless you. We love you. RICA Simplifying Reading.